You guys remember this hair from my Trinidad vlog. Everybody's been asking about it. Today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve it. So this hair is from Boho Locks, and in a bundle you get 6 packets. That's 76 locks. As you can see, I have my afro here. I spray my hair with a little bit of water, then I use a little bit of Jamaican castor oil to seal in that moisture. And you don't need any crochet needles, you don't need any cornrows, nothing like that. All I'm gonna do is plait these locks straight into my hair. So literally, if you can plait hair, you can do these locks. So all you're gonna do is make a separation, and I'm gonna do it like I'm doing box braids. So I'm gonna make a square, then that one section I'll separate into 3. At the beginning of the lock, there's a little loop. So you're gonna get your hair, the middle section, and pull that through the loop. Make sure it's sitting at the base of your hair, right next to the root. And then you're simply gonna plait the 3 sections of your hair. Now you can plait your hair, you can corkscrew your hair, depends on what you wanna do. I want them to last for quite a while, so I'm definitely gonna plait all the way to the end, and when I get just to the fuzzy bits at the end, I'll twist that. Once you get to the end of your braid, open up the lock at the top, and then twist the lock around your plait. As you can see, the faux lock itself is kind of like a twist. It's like a coil around. Eventually, the lock will encase your entire plait. Just keep going all the way to the bottom. And once you get to the end of your actual hair, all you want to do is go back to the top and roll the lock into your hands. So I'll show you this one more time. Open the loop, pop your middle section of hair through the loop, make sure the lock is as close to your root as possible, and then plait your hair. Once you've plaited your hair, all you need to do is coil the lock around your braid. And that is all there is to it. You can do any kind of pattern that you like. You can do triangular parts, you can do box braid parts, you can do zigzag parts, but I'm just choosing to do the regular, simple box braid parts. I'm doing this at 5 o'clock in the morning, you guys. I'm about to catch a flight in about an hour. So there was no sleep for me that night. It was just get these locks out for my holiday and catch my flight. But it is so simple to do that I could manage to do it in about 2.5 hours. Once they're in, that's it. You don't have to do any maintenance work. You don't have to retwist. There's nothing you have to do. And then eventually, when you get bored of having them so long, you can cut them, which is what I did. You can add gems, add thread, add ribbon. You can add decorative clips. Whatever you want to do to spice them up, you can do it. And they look really realistic. They're very lightweight as well. I would definitely do this style again. In fact, I can't wait to wear this style again. And that's it. That's all I did. I look like a Caribbean princess. I am ready for the sun. It was so good not having to worry about my hair on holiday. I would definitely recommend Boho Locks because they're so lightweight as well. I choose to do them separately without doing the cornrows because you can do so much more with the hair. It's so much more versatile. You can wear it up, down, you can part it, and they look more realistic when you don't have cornrows that will show if your hair were to blow in the wind or something. That's why I decided to do the singles method. And they smell so good. I didn't use all 76 locks. I had a few extra left. So if the hair does start to unwind, or if it is showing a little bit of your braid at the front, you can use the extra hair and wrap it around the lock to keep it tighter and more secure. All the information for the hair is down below. There'll also be a discount code that you guys can use in the description. So don't forget to check that out. But for now, let me give you a few clips of what the hair looked like while I was living my best life in Trinidad.
Hey, yo, whining with no throwing back your waist like it's a dumb truck. All she says she needed some instructions, and she don't care. She will shell long anywhere. Bust it up like a nuclear. Girl, brace for the impact. Body is good and I like that. Girl, brace for the impact. Set up yourself for the contact. Say, just give me that best wine.
guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.